Hello everyone, welcome back to Leonard Learning Channel. Now in my worksheet you can identify that under the column gender I have highlighted the cell that consists of the text female. Now what is going to happen if I am making it as male? Okay, I am pressing the OK button. Now you can see all the records are being selected even though I gave it as male. Why? Because female also consists the text male. That is how Excel takes into consideration. But I just want female to get selected or male to get selected. Now how you can do this? Whether it is possible? Yes, it's possible with Excel. And for that we have to use advanced or new rules which is available under conditional formatting. Now before that, let me clear the rules. What I have to do? Go to conditional formatting and give clear rules from the selected cells. Now again, I am moving back to conditional formatting. There is an option called as new rule. Just click the option. You can find out various rule types which are given over here. You can format all the cells based on some values which you are going to give, or you can format only certain cells which consists of certain given condition by you, or you can rank based on the ranked values you can format it. All this you can do, but according to our objective, the particular option which we want is format only cells that contains, and now you are going to edit the description. We doesn't want the cell value but we want the text. So there is an option available called a specific text. Just click over it and immediately you will have containing, but I doesn't want, when I'm going to type male, female is also going to get selected. So what I'm going to do is beginning with male. Okay, even if you are typing M, it's okay, but I'm typing the entire thing. Okay, male is now I am giving a blue color for it. Okay, right. Okay, just press OK. Now you can see females, the cell which consists of female is not selected. Only the cell which consists of male is selected. So this is how by conditional formatting you can fix up new rules and you can select, highlight cells according to your preferences. That can also be done. Now let us move on to the next section. Now what we are going to do is, now before that let me clear the rules from the select entire sheet. Okay. Entire sheet or entire cell, whatever is comfortable. If you have already selected the cell and you are going to that option, just give it a selected cell. But not, you can give, if not, you can give, select the entire sheet. Okay, right. Now, if you want to select a particular record, if you are typing a name of the student and that particular record has to be highlighted, is it possible? Yes, this is also possible using the new rule option under conditional formatting. For that, what I am going to do is, now I am not actually going to select the entire record and then go for highlighting. No, nothing I am going to do. What I am going to do is going to choose a destination. What destination? A cell as a destination. In that particular cell, whenever I am typing a name of the student, the entire record will be highlighted. Now what has to be done for it? Now for this, go to conditional formatting. Okay. Before that, you have to select the entire data which you have in your table. Go to conditional formatting, right? Set a new rule. Okay, now the rule type which was going to help us now is use a formula to determine which cells to format. Just click over there. You have to define the formula. Now what you have to do is just press this selection bar option. You can select the particular cell, the first name of the student, and just remove the dollar which is before 4, right? Before the row. It is not reference, so we are just locking the column. Now what we are going to do is, then we are going to press an equal sign, then select where our destination is. Here you doesn't want to make any changes. Okay, so whenever I am going to press type a name of a student over here, immediately the entire record has to be selected. Now how it has to be highlighted? You have to give the format I am making it as green. Okay. Okay, it is set. So what I am going to do? I am going to type the student name Ashish. Okay, just press enter. You can see the whole record is being selected. Similarly, you can also do with the other name. For example, if I am typing Isha, you can see. So this is yet another option which will help you to select a single record. Right? Now that's all for today's video. Do support my channel. Do subscribe my channel and share your valuable comments with me. Thank you.